Okay, guys, this is a short brief of the data visualization using pivot tables in Excel and what have you for sales and market trend forecasting. I have not. I'm not done with the preparation of what I'm coming to present on daily basis regarding monitoring and evaluation. Within the course of the program, you will be able to evaluate your own projects, government project, and government organizations, and uh, be able to predict which or to come up with the methods for policy making in order to enable the project to be sustainable in long run, whether doing the locum and offer the peak periods, you understand everything that is related to monitoring and evaluation. Thirdly, be patient, follow us, everything will be kept abreast. Be following the channel, great things are coming. Only the timetable and the schedule and the preparations of all presentations, data visualization, indicator tracking, activity tracking, and what have you, output and impact, everything will be shown on you using this platform. Subscribe, refer to your friends. Let us keep on the track together, and I think everything will be great as far as monitoring and evaluation work is concerned. Meet you next time with the planned program.